Bright Solution presents
How to download protected Facebook profile picture. So let's start. Keep watching till the end. First of all, I am visiting Facebook and show you a profile which is guard protected. So, this is the profile. When I try to save this profile picture, my mouse right cursor won't working because of this guard, so it can't be downloaded this way. Don't worry. I will show you another secret way to download this profile picture. Just open the picture and right click on out of the picture. Then click Save As and save the file. I am waiting for downloading the file. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon. It's downloaded. Now go to the folder and find the profile picture among all these images. Here we go. This is the profile picture which was protected. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, then please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Stay blessed.